Hey Matt, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and accepting this custom video. So today we're going to go over a few things that you can apply right away that will help you increase your online presence and get more organic leads. It is important to note that 70% of your organics comes from your website. So it is really important that your website be completely optimized so that you can be found for your services. So we are on your website. Let's see. Okay. A little bit of content. Okay, so I see three main services. So each of these should have their very own page. If they don't, oh, here's additional services. So these asbestos and fireproofing should also have their own pages as well. Let's see. Okay. And this is your service area. So each of these communities that have any type of service, excuse me, that have any type of search volume for your keywords need to have their own page so you can be found in each of these communities for the services that you're offering. All right, so now Google doesn't rank your website based on appearance. It's based on content. Content is key. So your homepage needs to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words or more if your competitors have more. And this content needs to be focused around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching for your services. So you need to make sure you dial in your content on each of your pages and service area pages around those local buyer intent keywords so you can be found for your services in each of those communities. Google has robots called crawlers that go and index each of your pages looking for unique content and the keywords associated with it so they can index you for those keywords and rank you and put you in front of your customers. One of your top competitors for mold remediation is A1 Mold Testing. And yes, I understand this is a franchise, so we're only going to be looking at the Omaha franchise and not the franchise as a whole. But this is their website. Again, not a fabulous website, a bit dated, but they are going after those local buyer intent keywords. They have a lot more content. They have a lot of interlinking between their services and the communities they offer. They don't nearly have enough content. So in order to beat these guys, it should be fairly easy for you guys by working on your content and keyword strategy and making sure that you have more content than your competitors. The next part of that's going to be search engine optimization. Now, this is Ahrefs, which tells us how your website is performing. And hold on one second. I apologize for that, boo-boo. I was showing you the wrong company. But this is Ahrefs for your company. And we can see you have a score of a 0.3 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow for your website as a whole, which means Google doesn't trust your website. And that is 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You have over 100 backlinks and a low score. So that tells us that a lot of those backlinks are of poor quality. They could be spammy, they could be unrelated, and no follows. Not all backlinks are created equal. So while you do need a ton of backlinks, they need to be of good quality and authoritative backlinks. You will need more than your competitors in each of your service areas, but not just in quantity, but also in quality. You've only been indexed for 3 keywords, and you're getting 0 people to your website on average per month. If we look at your competitor, they have a lot of no data here. They are pulling power from their main site, which does help give them a bit of a boost. That's how they're getting that rank of a 7. But for the Omaha area, they have been indexed for 10 keywords, and they are getting over 108 people to their website. So you're missing out on quite a bit of traffic. And because they're not fully optimized, they're missing out on a bunch of traffic as well. So optimizing your website with content, keywords, supported by backlinks, and you're going to start driving that traffic to your website and getting more customers. What a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is to your services, the more authority and power it's going to give you. And you also need to make sure that you are linking these backlinks with your keywords so that you can rank for your keywords and be found for your services in each of your service areas. And the last thing is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section because 30% of people come directly to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not in this top 3 section for your relative keywords in each of your service areas, you're sending all of those leads to your competitor. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there is a variety of things that go into it, but the most important are citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. So you need a lot more than your top competitors. And when you follow each of these tips I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relative local keywords and service area keywords. And you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. If you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.